You're applying for a Canadian visa and you're feeling anxious that your visa will be refused, or you wanted to come to Canada for your sister's wedding and your visa is refused because the visa officer thought that you're not going to return to your home country? If so, keep watching this video for immigration express insights and guidance. Hello, this is Leah from Blue Frontier Immigration Services. Today, I'm going to explain why your visa is refused and the common factors the visa officer might think that you're not going to return to your home country. So whether you're coming to Canada for a visit or to see your friends or family or to study or work, it is crucial that you have to show that you are only coming to Canada for the specified purpose and for a limited time. At the same time, you have to demonstrate that you have valid reasons to return to your home country. Otherwise, the visa officers might think that you have weak ties to your home country, therefore you're going to overstay in Canada. So I'm going to tell you the common factors that often result in visa refusals and the necessary step for reapplying after a refusal. So first, let's take a look at a common refusal letter example to understand the reasons behind refusals. So here, I'm seeing that the visa officer is not satisfied that you will leave Canada at the end of your stay as stipulated in subsection 216(1) of the Immigration Refugee Protection Regulations based on the purpose of your visit, if it's either to study, work, or visit. He's also not satisfied that you will leave Canada at the end of your stay because of your family ties in Canada and in your country of residence. So this letter is stating that the visa officer is not convinced by the explanation provided for the purpose of the visit and has concerns about their intention to remain in Canada with their family. Just like in the example, there are some common scenarios for visa refusals. If you have family members in Canada, visa officer might think that you are going to live with your family in Canada rather than returning to your home country. Or if you are not coming alone but with your family members such as your spouse and children, it might signal that you are permanently immigrating to Canada with your family. Or if you don't have immediate family members back home, they might think that you have no one to take care of in your home country, so no reason to return. Also, if you're from countries with unstable financial or political situations, they might think that you are immigrating to Canada for a new stable life. If you're not currently employed or employment prospects in your country is low, they might also think that you are coming to Canada to find a job and settle in Canada. If you have overstayed previous visas in Canada, the visa officer might think that you're not complying with immigration rules and it's likely that you are going to overstay again. Lastly, if you have misrepresented important information such as your employment status, finance, or your previous visa refusal history, etc., they might refuse your visa. At worst scenario, you will be banned from Canada for the maximum of 5 years. So now that we understand why your visa application was refused, the next step is crucial. What do you need to do from here? I can't stress enough how important it is to work with a knowledgeable immigration consultant to prepare and resubmit a much stronger application. It is essential to know that if your previous visa application was refused, then the Canadian Immigration AI system will flag your subsequent applications, which means that human immigration officers will carefully scrutinize your application, emphasizing the need for a meticulously prepared and well-documented application package. So, how can you prove that you have strong ties to your home country? I'll break it down into several key categories for you. First, I recommend you prepare a summary of your personal background, indicating your education, employment history, family, and assets. Second, you need to demonstrate that you have strong family ties to your home country. Are you coming to Canada alone and you have remaining family members such as spouse and children in your home country? This would be your strongest family tie that you have to highlight. Otherwise, if you have parents, siblings, and relatives, you can also show that you have this kind of family ties with a record of your family relationship or birth certificate. Financial ties. You can also submit a list of your properties in your home country. This shows that you have responsibilities to take care of your properties in your home country, compelling you to return to your home country. Professional ties. Are you a student? They include documents like your course schedule, student ID, or school registration to demonstrate your commitment to your studies. If you are employed, right, you can include an employment letter detailing your role, compensation, employment duration, and pay stubs, demonstrating that you have to return to your home country to work. If you are a business owner, you can submit evidence such as a certificate of incorporation, a business pamphlet, or screenshots of your website to establish your business ties. Compliance with law in the past. As a part of your application process, you must have to fill out your travel history in the last 10 years. This will show that you have complied with immigration rules in those countries that you have visited, showing that you will also leave Canada at the end of your authorized stay. If you don't have the conventional documentation that I've mentioned so far, you can get creative. You can seek support letters from your friends or religious leaders, emphasizing your commitment to a short visit to Canada and your intention to return to your home country to carry out your other social responsibilities, such as volunteering or caring for your pet. So once you've shown why you must go back home, the next vital step is to prove that your stay in Canada will be short and you genuinely plan to study, visit, or work. To do that, you must ensure that you include your itinerary, return ticket, hotel booking information, and an invitation letter from your Canadian family or friends in your application package. If you are a tourist, for example, you can submit a wedding invitation, pictures of the couple getting married, the information about wedding venue, letter explaining your relationship with the person inviting you. If you're going to study in Canada, you must include a letter of acceptance from the school, or if you are planning to work, you must provide a contract specifying your intended employment period, location, and other terms. I hope this video was helpful for you to understand why your Canadian visa application has been rejected or how to enhance your application. If you believe that you could benefit from my help to strengthen your application package, simply click the link below to schedule a consultation with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.